Do you watch TED Talks? Do you wish you have one? Do you know how to go about getting one? If you're a professional speaker and thought leaders, a TED Talk gives you instant credibility. And you know professional meeting planners are watching TED Talk videos these days. That's why on November 9th, for the Speak Up, Stand Out, I will be sharing with you my 10 years of experience with the TED event. From on the stage, being a TEDx speaker, to organizing TEDx IIT, the longest running independently organized TED event in Chicago. From pitching, creating, crafting, delivering, to promoting. There's a lot of do's and don'ts. But first thing you must do is to sign up and save your seat. I'll see you on November 9th.